Green color. Yellow color. I draw capital letter A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Let's paint red color. A for apple. B for butterfly. C for cow. D for donut. E for elbow. F for frog. G for grapes. Green color. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for king. L for lollipop. M for mango. N for nest. O for octopus. Light blue color. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sign. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for violin. Yellow color. W for water.
Animal, answer. April, autumn. Ambulance, airplane, arrow. Alligator, ant.
X for xylophone.
1, 2, 3, let's go. A, B, C, count the rhythm.
Y for yogurt.
We're singing all together. A, B, C, count the rhythm.
And Z for zebra.
We're singing all together.
Let's repeat, learn with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.